In this guide, we're going over what does VIP do here in Attack on Titan Revolution in Roblox and if it's actually worth it. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, VIP is mainly about speeding up your progress here in this game. Once you have it, you're going to get stuff like gold, XP, and luck. So every mission and fight gives you a lot more rewards overall, meaning that you level up faster, earn more gold, and have a better chance at getting better drops. Once again, overall. Now, you also unlock weekly gym missions, which gives you way more potential to earn gems compared to normal players. And on top of that, missions do give more gems overall. So if you are grinding missions back to back, the difference can add up pretty quickly. There's also an AFK reward boost, so if you're not actively playing, you can just go in the AFK mode, and then of course you can get even more gems from there as well as better XP and everything. So when you do combine really everything together, more gold, more XP, better drops, extra gem missions, and stronger AFK rewards, your progression does become a lot faster. So if you're planning on playing this game a lot, I would actually recommend getting VIP because it's a straight upgrade to pretty much every single thing that you do here in this game. But yeah, that's the full process. If you had to ask me if it was worth it, I would say yes. But of course, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.